for my volunteers, my project student on the final year, 26th passing out student for the project 2. They are here to deliberate on the case study, how they derived for this analysis of this bell drive and this project 2. Please, my volunteers, please deliberate about the project and the purview of case study.
Good morning, I am Vasant Kumar. I am studying final year mechanical engineering in SOS College of Technology, and our project is Dr. C. Sanjay Kumar sir, and our HOD is Dr. Subramanian sir. I am going to talk about the introduction and the objectives of the project. In today's world, many industries are facing lack of money for investing in belt drive, but in this belt drive, we are mainly using the IoT sensors and various other computer-based sensors, and it is very beneficial for even small-scale industries, which is going to implement in future.
About the methodology, the main focus of like Vasan said, it's about SMEs, small and medium enterprises. On that we will use the methodology where predictive maintenance, where we use in mainly in quality control. This project will be really helpful in starting of the problem, where we traditionally use some people to watch it, or some they expired machines, which is outdated for today's environment. So we are using this sensors and ESP32, where it can fetch the data and store the data up to 1 year. We can analyze data of the 1 year to get the source of the problem and root cause. Because as an engineer, we should know about the root cause of the problem. So this is what the difference from us and normal plumber and electricians.
Now I am going to tell about the setup and the result. My name is M. Suresh Kumar. The setup is, we used this frame and motor and ring. This is the belt drive, and we used different 3 types of sensor: temperature sensor, RPM sensor, and vibration sensor. And we used 7000 mAh battery to run the motor. And we used 32 Arduino board. USB 32 Arduino board. When we connect the battery, the motor will run. If any detection is shown, the alarm will ring. We can calculate the all 3 calculation in the app. We created an app using an IoT. We get the 3 calculation in the app itself. So this project is now in industries. It is very useful for belt drive system. And next to Bharat.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Bharat, and now I am going to explain about the challenges and the maintenance about the prototype model. And now the prototype model is indicated to analyzing what is the problem went in an industrial machining process and the unit systems. In the previous parts, there is no more solutions for highly radiated models. It is helpful to, this is a small model for indicating the some small and large scale problems are arrived when in the large machining process. And agentic AI is useful for indicating an issued process, and it will helpful to solve the solution. And using an AI app, in this model we will easily calculate the radiations and the velocity and RPM of the machine, and it's helpful to how a machine is running in conditions, and how the process is about, and whenever there is maintenance is necessary. These are the functions are used in these machines, and there are three more sensors are used to indicate the problems, and one vibration sensor is used to vibrate when the problem is arrived. The vibration sensor is alert to stop the machines. This is the process of the machine. In the past few generations, there is no more indication. Prototype models are not arrived. This is helpful to indicate what are the problems arrived whenever we solve the problem, and whenever we have to maintain the machine and using the agentic AI. Thank you.
And I'm going to talk about the past and future work and what we have done differently in this project. Because in the project of last 5 years, the project was like I searched the countless of journals and paper they presentation related to this project, where they mainly used of machine learning supports, where it will upload the data from machine learning, because the generative AI itself a new thing to the industry. It has come on 2023, where it has become open source. So we thinking of implementing the generative AI, which will be a added boost for the project. And in many past work, they failed. They only doing vibration. In another project, only doing temperature, and another project only doing RPM. They're not doing all the three combined. So this is the unique about the project. And about the future scope, it will be helpful for the small and medium enterprises. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Orator, for explaining this case study of your project. Thank you very much.